This is the Best Western hotel marker here in Panglao. Let us see yung progress, no? What they're doing. This is a beachfront. They're placing this one, no? Maganda naman siya. Pwedeng stambayan. Then you have also ito, mga staircases that can work also as parang benches. Here. This is Lost Horizon Resort. Oh my God. What is this one? Ini yung beach. Very nice ni beach. Massive na rin pala. No? We've been walking for almost a kilometer. Massive na rin yung progress here. Daming mga diverse talaga siya. This one works also as a walkway, elevated walkway. So at least protected na rin yung white sand here, no? You have white sand protected. Pagkatapos they have this ano to, this concrete na parang seawall. Haba-haba na rin to. Yung stretch na to, I think more than a kilometer na stretch. Haba-haba na pala to. This is the white sand portion ng Panglao. Puno na rin. Parang na rin siyang Boracay. Not on a small scale, but on a big scale. Galing tayo doon sa malayo.